Hello guys, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin from Smile Hair Clinic. So today I will give answers to your questions in 30 seconds. There will be short answers.
Why do bodybuilders experience hair loss?
The reason that most of the bodybuilders experience hair loss is testosterone injections. Unfortunately, in this era, all the bodybuilders use testosterone to increase their muscle mass, and that's the main reason, because the hair on the scalp has testosterone receptors. When testosterone adjusts to these receptors, they send the signal of the nucleus of the cell to shrink and dies in time, so they lose their hair eventually.
What can bodybuilders do to prevent hair loss while building muscle?
They should try to find natural resources for testosterone. They shouldn't have injections.
Can bodybuilders who have had a hair transplant continue taking supplements?
Yes, they can, because the hairs we implant are from the safe donor zone, which don't have testosterone receptors, so they are not affected. But since it will affect the natural hair that we did not transplant on the scalp, it will have a negative effect because they will lose the natural hair in the end.
How long should you take a break from sports after a hair transplant?
If you have a personal gym, it's 15 days. If you have a public gym, it's 1 month, because in 1 month period we had seen people having ringworms. So it's because of the immune deficiency of the skin barrier. So we need 1 month to be fully covered.